ayan guys, magbe-breakfast muna tayo. Ayan, meron tayong corned beef, fried eggs, and of course, ayan, yung aking favorite na isda with tamarind. And after that, we're going to Viking. So ayan guys, ha, kain muna. Let's eat first our breakfast and then let's go. So
let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Going to Viking. I will show you where I'm going over there. And ayan, I show you how far. So, ayun guys, ha, pakita ko sa inyo. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So, ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ha, there. So, yun ha. So, pakita ko sa inyo mga ayan. Nakita niyo yan. They have there. Yun ha, yung mga punong, oh sorry. Yung mga punong yun, there. Until there. Going down there. In the other city there. So I'm going there, huh? Show you. Ayan. There we go. There we be going. Ayan. I'm going past there sa mga there in the trees. So in there we're going there in the other city. So okay. Ito ko sa inyo. And there in that there is the sea. You see the river. There we go, the river and the bridge. So ayan, no, nakita nyo, I am going there with my dogs. So ayan guys, ha, let's go. There we go guys, we're going to buy here. Dog is me, and there is Victoria Unlucky there. Ayan si Victoria at Lucky. So, ayan mga kalindog. Let's ready na. Nagbabike na ang inyong alindog. There we go. O, diba? Oh my goodness. Ayan. At ayan si Victoria. Ang lucky. Oops. Ayan mga kalindog. There we go. Victoria and Lucky. So, let's go. So, there we go guys. Nandito na kami sa kabukiran. We're here in the forest. There we go. You see, and this is my bike. And there is the dog. So let's walk a little bit. Ayan, di ba? Yes, mga kalindog. Di ba? Need to exercise. Ayan, because we eat some breakfast today. Ayan. Diba? Show you mga kalindog. Mga aso. So, ayan guys, mga kalindog. We have a house there. We have a that's a haunted house. Charot. And then, drinking water, gibun. Dito, mainumin ng tubig. Ayan. So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo na sana malapit na kami dito. Ayan, ito na yung field, and you know, oh my god, ayan guys, there we go, ang aming condo, aming bahay. There we go, see, ayan, di ba kitang kita here, there is my house or the condo units. Ayan guys, so that's why they see until here, you see. There we go, there where we live, right? So ayan, look at this how far. See? And we are here now. So ayun ang bahay namin. So dali lang yung bike na. Ayun ang aming balay. There we go. Right there. So ayan guys, enjoy life. and enjoy the weather, diba? Beautiful, and the dog. So let's walk again. Come on. So guys, ayan na yung puno na I show you before, right? This is the things already that I show you where we at when I was in the house, right? Ayan na, nandito na tayo. Ayan yung daan na kita hanggang sa bahay. So maglakad tayo, pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Ayan, kita natin yung bahay, and also again, ayan, kita ko sa inyo, kita dito yung bahay, diba? Ayan, there. So at nandito na tayo, mga kalindog, diba? Ay, so ayun ang bahay. So ayan, mga kalindog, we're here, or I'm here already. This is what you see there, o diba? This is the way where what we see. Ayan, ayan, no? Ayan, this is all the trees. So now it's spring. We're gonna be growing the leaves. Ayan, no? Maraming mosquito. Oh my god. So this is, guys, the what do you call this? The potato field. They're gonna planted here the potato every so ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. So there we go. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ayun ang ating house. There we go there. Ayan. So ayan. Ang daming. Oh my god. So guys, right, it's beautiful. Oh, diba? So ayan, mga kalindog. Ito ko sa inyo. Ayan, nagbike kami and my dog. Ayan. So let's walk now. Ayan, mga kalindog. Enjoy. Ayan. Pag winter, I mean pag spring, we're doing like this. Ayan, we need to enjoy, mga kalindog. Dahil almost we are in the house only. Ayan, mga kalindog, nakita nyo ang daming nalipad. So it's nice to walking every day, mga kalindog. So relaxing. Ayan, at of course nagbabike tayo. Ayan, but I prefer walking when they have a what do you call this, na place na no people, no dogs. Ayan, so at least I can walk very carefully and ayan, tahimik, diba? Maganda dito, mga kalindog. Ayan, oh. Ayan, diba, nakita niyo yung field, tapos doon yung mga house na, oh. There we go. Ayan, nakita nyo doon, nag-start na rin ang spring. So ayan, mga kalindog, ha, magbabike na tayo and wait. Ayan guys, kita na yung bahay namin. Ayan, there we go, our house. You see, that's why kita here. Ayan, diba? At ayun, mga kalindog, springtime na talaga. Kita nyo yung cherry, nagbo-blossom na. Ayan, yung pink and white, they starting. At ayun si Victoria, Douglas, Unlucky are walking. At ang aking German dog, Charot. So ayan, mga magagandang house. There we go. Ayan, diba? Walking din tayo pag may time. Ayan, mga kalindog, diba? So ganda. Beautiful lang mga panahon ngayon talaga, diba? Ang ganda, mga kalindog. Kaya dapat i-enjoy, diba? Ayan, ganito dito sa Germany, kahit nasa city ka na, meron pa rin dito parang park. Ayan, diba? Ayan, doon. O, diba? So this is it. Maganda dito yung bahay. Ayan, mga housing. O, diba? So there we go. Ayan, magbabike na tayo. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my biking ride. Ayan ang aking pagbabike with my dogs. Ayan, I'm tired, so that's why I'm sitting now here. Ayan, so thank you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to smile. So till next video. Ayan, bye.